Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Afri Sasanti Dwihana. What do you think about the 21st century skill? 1. Learning skill or the first C's. This student about the mental process required to adapt and improve upon a modern work environment. 2. Literary skill or IMT. Focus on how students can discern fact, publishing outlets, and the technology behind them. There's a strong focus on determining trustworthy source and factual information to spare it from the misinformation that floods the internet. 3. Life skill take a lot at intangible elements of student everyday life. This intangible focus on both personal and professional goals. Category 1. Learning skill or the 4 C's. More educators know about this skill because they're universal need for any career. They also vary in terms of importance, depending on an individual's career aspiration. First, critical thinking is about finding solutions to problems. Second, creativity is about thinking outside the box. Third, collaboration is about working with others. Fourth, communication is about talking to others. Category 2, literacy skill. They're sometimes called IMT skill, and they each constraints with a different element in digital comprehension. First, information literacy is about understanding fact, figures, statistics, and data. Second, media literacy is about understanding the methods and outlets in which information is published. Third, technology literacy, understanding the machines that make the information possible. Category 3, life skill. Life skill is the final category. These skills are pertinent to someone's personal life, but they also bleed into professional setting. First, flexibility is about deviating from plans as needed. Leadership is about motivating a team to accomplish a goal. Second, initiative is about starting projects, strategies, and plans on one own. Third, productivity is about maintaining efficiency in an act of distraction. Fourth, social skill is about meeting and networking with others for mutual benefit. What the demand for 21st century skill? While 21st century skills have always been important, they've become essential in a worldwide market that moves faster by the day. These skills all double back to one key focus: someone's ability to enhance and or adapt to change. This is because any industry is capable of changing at a moment's notice. Industries are now regularly described with new ideas and methodologies. Those industries that have not been described are not immune though. They just have not been described yet. With that in mind, the world has entered an era where nothing is guaranteed. As a result, students need to learn to gauge the chance that will enhance their life. At the very least, they need to learn how to react to it, otherwise they will be left behind. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.